Hello, my name is Molly, and thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I have learned so much online from people on Twitter, forums about great productivity hacks, and I feel like it is my turn to give you one of the best kept secrets on the internet. I mean, besides Notion, of course. But this is my meal planner. This is what I use. And I feel like everyone is going to really benefit given that the holidays are coming up, and what better way to start using it and stay organized than with this app. It is called Plan to Eat, and it is really an all-in-one meal planner. And I know there are a lot of Notion meal planners out there right now, but this one is robust. This is a great solution, and I want to show you how I use it. So we'll get out of the app right now. Let's pretend we are searching for a vegan cheesecake, which I've already Googled away. As you know, they give you a bunch of random things all about it before you get started, how the first cheesecake was ever invented and the first time they ate it and the history of cheesecake, which I don't care about. I just want to know the recipe. So I press the little button and it says possible duplication because I've actually done this one already. So we'll just pretend that that doesn't say that. But we'll scroll down and we'll see the little pop-up. It says all these different things about this recipe automatically. So it has the title. You'll see there's some stars there as well, which are really nice because you can start rating yourself. The source, description from there. All of these items are just coming from the website, pulling from the website. And the best one is this bulk item import, which then they actually put into these line items. So I do things like delete filling, for example, delete crust, and just make sure this is a really nice line item view of all the ingredients, because these are later going to be imported in, and you'll see how they can be viewed. The directions, prep notes, and down here we've got some really cool properties to add in, like the course, so you can search through that, the cuisine, and these are all customizable. So don't worry if you don't have the items that you need. For example, mine is very customized to a vegan diet. So, my main ingredients are pumpkins and potatoes rather than steak and eggs. And we've got tags. I love this because, for example, when I first moved to Thailand, we lived in a bit of a bungalow, and it had one stove, and that was it. One stovetop. So no oven, no second stovetop. We bought a rice cooker and an air fryer, but our cooking really was dependent on, what would work in that setup. So I would tag 47 different items to Thailand Kitchen, and whenever I would go to the grocery store, I would just search through ones that have been tagged that way. Time consuming, those are the good ones for like Christmas or holiday dinners. So yeah, they've got all of that. Nutritional facts automatically pull, and you can even add estimated costs. So when you are, drag and dropping later on, which I'll show you, it'll add up for you. So now I've added this here. We would press save, but I've already saved the recipe because this is my second time recording this. And we'll go over here. So this is our planning area. There's the cook, plan, and shop. And I'll just show you what the cook area looks like a bit. It's kind of like a cookbook. And the way I use it actually is, rather than, saving every single recipe in here, I save all my good recipes in Pinterest, the ones that I'm interested in. And when they make the cut to the final, we're going to cook this, this is going to be added to my cookbook. That's when it is listed here. And you'll see that I've rated items as well, most of them. And that helps me really see, yeah, I did make this item, but I didn't like it very much. And I like a lot of the things I make, so they're all pretty high starred. But this is a great way to view everything. And you can, search by those tags if you wanted, or total time with ingredients. All of that is there. You can open up the little planner on the bottom and actually just drag and drop these recipes down there. Or if you wanted to use the planner over here, you'll be able to kind of drag and drop that over here. So for example, if we are going to cook some things for Christmas or the holidays, whatever, I would drag and drop here and just pick a few different items. Maybe we'll have some mango salsa, some cheesecake, and a miso tofu bowl, because Christmas isn't complete without them. And now it's time to shop. And this is like my most favorite thing ever, really, is that it creates that shopping list automatically for you. I'll just hide the planner or go down here and make sure it has the correct custom date range. So let's just choose the 25th, so it doesn't have everything in there. And now, can I hide this planner? There we are. There we have this great shopping list. It actually can be on your phone as well, and it's a really nice format. It's just a little checklist, so really super user-friendly. And it combines everything. So we have, it still has the December 15th. I thought I said December 25th. Let's see here. December 25th. There we go. Click. There we go. December 25th. Update date range. Okay. So it combines everything that might have similar recipe items to it. And actually, this one has all individual recipe items. Everything. I have to buy one thing for everything, so it's not the best example. Maybe I'll do next 7 days. Here we are. This should, for example, garam masala is needed for A, B, and D, and it highlights everything, and it combines all together that we only need 5 teaspoons. So it's an absolute time saver, and it makes, when you're not looking forward to going to the grocery store and you don't want to plan everything, I just go on here, drag and drop 5 of my favorites, get to the grocery store. You save so much time, and it's nice to see really how it builds over time. I've been using this app probably 5 years. I only have 96 recipes because, trust me, in Thailand you don't want to go out to eat very often, or cook very often. You want to go out to eat. But yeah, it's, I can look back and know, I remember when I made these things, or, how many times I've made them. And it's just a really cool app that I wanted to share with you. And I've just been, putting off making this video, but we're done now. So take a look at it, get it for the holidays, give it a test try. I think they probably have free trials as well. It's only $5 a month max. And hopefully this will help you in the future, if not only just for the holiday planning, but in the new year. Meal planning is one of the best ways to eat healthy, save money, and just really stay organized in life, because it is a very daunting task organizing your food. So hopefully that helped. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comments below. And I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks.